like me and love to fill your home with things that are different and unique, then you're going to want this bathroom accessory set from Ohsooons. I'm Gracie with WTI, and as soon as I saw this online, I immediately fell in love and I knew I had to have it. I absolutely love the two-tone colors and this asymmetrical curvy design, which goes perfectly with my irregular shaped mirror. There's 5 pieces altogether. It comes with 2 cups. Of course, one is for my toothbrushes, and the other I use either for my Q-tips or my makeup brushes. I love the soap dispenser that's easy to refill. It pumps smoothly and a consistent amount each time. A soap dish that I like to keep in my shower niche, or I've even used it to hold my jewelry. And a little decorative cup that I like to use for my plant clippings or small fresh flowers from the garden, just to add a touch of color and life to my white and black bathroom. Everything comes in such a beautiful package. This will make the perfect housewarming present. It's made out of a ceramic material, so it's very easy to keep clean and perfect for everyday use. I've been highly impressed with this set and love its sleek and modern design, and that's my point of view.